see Robert's garden's completely flooded. But this is what I'm having to do to try and save the hot tub. Walk across here carefully. And this is absolutely freezing. Walk across here carefully. Right. And then I will have to move all of these out of the way. Open this up here and put it out here, and then down the bottom on the floor there's all the pumps, 3 different pumps, so we lose them on the hot tub. And when you get into a situation like this with the hot tub, there's only one thing for it. You open it up like this, open it up like that, right? Take off your safety gear and your high vis. Take off your jacket, because all this river water's a nightmare. So you have to take off your jacket, if it ever undoes. Right, you take it off like that. Then you realise that you're in a West Ham top, and there's only one choice when you're in a West Ham top, is you get the West Ham top in the river water. Get the West Ham top in the river water. Get the West Ham top in the river. What? Get the West Ham top in the river water. And when you've done that, you get the proper Arsenal gear sorted out. Emirates Stadium, Arsenal. You get all your Arsenal tops and you get them on like this, covering up the West Ham top, drowning the West Ham top out with all the river water. Get rid of it all. Get it on. Get it on like that. Get into 42 degrees. And get the Arsenal in the jacuzzi. See you later.